Additional Maths Linear Equation Problems.
Problems leading to equations. With some problems, it may be necessary to first create an equation before solving it. For example, suppose a boy has 27 coins. They are all either 2p or 5p coins and have a total value of 99 pence. How many of each type of coin does he have? Well, to solve this, suppose he has x 2p coins. Now he's got 27 coins in all, which means he has 27 minus x 5p coins. Now the total value that he has is 2p times the number of 2p coins he has, plus 5p times the number of 5p coins he has. That is 2 times x plus 5 into 27 minus x. So we've got the equation 2x plus 5 into 27 minus x equals 99. Now to solve this, we can first expand the brackets. This gives us 2x plus 135 minus 5x equals 99. We can simplify that. That gives you 135 minus 3x equals 99. If we add 3x to both sides, we have 135 equals 99 plus 3x. If we subtract 99 from both sides, we end up with 36 equals 3x. So if we swap sides, 3x equals 36, and we can divide by 3 to get x equals 12. So he has 12 2p coins, and he has 27 minus 12 5p coins, which is 15 5p coins. Now, if we want to check this, we have 12 times 2p plus 15 times 5p is 24p plus 75p, which is 99p. So our answer is there are 12 2p coins and 15 5p coins. Let's have a look at another example. In a triangle, one angle is 40 degrees larger than the smallest angle, and the other angle is 3 times the size of the smallest angle. What is the size of each angle? Well, to solve this, let the smallest angle be x degrees. Now the second angle is 40 more than that, so the second angle is x plus 40 degrees. And the third angle is 3 times x, so it's 3x degrees. Now the sum of all the angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So we have the equation x plus 40 plus 3x equals 180. We can simplify that to give 5x plus 40 is 180. If we subtract 40, we have 5x equals 140, and we can divide by 5, x equals 28. So the angles are 28 degrees, 28 plus 40 degrees, and 3 times 28 degrees, which is 28 degrees, 68 degrees, and 84 degrees. Those add up to 180 degrees. So our answer is the angles are 28 degrees, 68 degrees, and 84 degrees. We now have an exercise of 5 questions. If you pause the video here, you could have a go at them yourself before I go through the answers. Okay, let's try solving them. Now in the first question, David's age is 4 times his son's age. In 4 years he will be 3 times his son's age. In part 1, let David's son's age be x, and write down the equation in x. In part 2, we're asked how old is David and how old is his son now. Well, to solve this, let David's son's age be x. Then David's age is 4 times his son's age, so it's 4x. In 4 years, their ages will be x plus 4 and 4x plus 4. And because David will be 3 times his son's age, we have 4x plus 4 equals 3 times x plus 4. Now to solve this, we have 4x plus 4 equals 3 into x plus 4. We can expand the brackets, which gives us 4x plus 4 equals 3x plus 12. We can subtract 3x from each side, and that gives us x plus 4 equals 12, and we can subtract 4, so x equals 8. So, David's son's age is 8, and David's age is 4 times that, so his age is 32. Now in question 2, we're given 4 consecutive odd numbers that have a total of 112. If the smallest is x, write down an equation in x. And in part 2, solve the equation to find the numbers. Now if we have 4 consecutive odd numbers, they increase by 2. So if the smallest one is x, the remainder will be x plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6. So we have, if they have a total of 112, x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 equals 112. That's our equation. Now if we take that equation and simplify it, we can add up the terms and get 4x plus 12 equals 112. We can subtract 12 from each side, so 4x equals 100, and we can divide by 4, so x equals 25. So our numbers are 25, 27, 29, and 31, and we can check that they do add up to 112. In question 3, it says large batteries cost 27p more than small ones. 8 small and 12 large batteries cost £12.84. In question 1, let the cost of a small battery be x. Write down an equation in x. In part 2, we're asked to solve it and find the cost of each size of battery. Well, if the cost of a small battery is x, the cost of a large is x plus 27, and we have 8 small and 12 large costs £12.84. So 8x plus 12 into x plus 27 equals 1,284. Now we can solve that equation by first expanding the brackets. That gives us 8x plus 12x plus 324 equals 1,284. And we can simplify. That's 20x plus 324 equals 1284. Now if we subtract 324 from both sides, we get 20x equals 960, and if we divide by 20, we get x equals 48. So a small battery costs 48, and a large battery costs 48 plus 28, which is 76 pence. In question 4, we have the cost of first class and second class stamps are 34 and 28p, respectively. David bought 20 stamps for £6.32. In part 1, let x be the number of first class stamps he bought. Write down an equation in x. In part 2, solve it and find the cost of a first class stamp and the cost of a second class stamp. Well, if David bought x first class stamps, then he bought 20 minus x second class stamps. We have 34 times the number of first class stamps plus 28 times the number of second class stamps equals £6.32. Or, working in pence, 34x plus 28 into 20 minus x equals 632. That's our equation. Now to solve that equation, we can expand the brackets. This gives us 34x plus 560 minus 28x equals 632. We can simplify that as 6x plus 560 equals 632. And if we subtract 560, we get 6x equals 72. Now if we divide by 6, we get x equals 12, which means he bought 12 first-class stamps and 8 second-class stamps. Now in question 5, at a school play, tickets cost £2 for children and £3.20 for adults. A group of 12 people went, and paid a total of £30. Let the number of children be x and write down an equation in x. How many children and how many adults were there in the group? Well, if the number of children is x, then the number of adults is 12 minus x. Now the costs of tickets are £2 times the number of children, plus £3.20 times the number of adults, and that comes to £30. So x times £2 plus 12 minus x times £3.20 equals £30. We can write that as 2x plus 3.2 into 12 minus x equals 30. Well, to get rid of the decimal point, we can multiply by 10. So 20x plus 32 into 12 minus x equals 300. And to simplify a bit, we can divide by 4. So 5x plus 8 into 12 minus x equals 75. Now we can expand the bracket. And that gives us 5x plus 96 minus 8x equals 75. And we can simplify that as minus 3x plus 96 equals 75. Now if we add 3x to both sides and subtract 75, we have 96 minus 75 equals 3x. Or if we simplify it, 21 equals 3x. And if we divide by 3, we get x equals 7. So there are 7 children and 12 people altogether, so there are 7 children and 5 adults.